Greetings. Thank you for spending some of your time with me. It's going to be, and it is, a rainy day. This is just a view out of the window that I'm in the Pocono region, the Pocono Mountain region. And the rain is so beautiful. It sounds beautiful and it gives a drink to the ground and the trees and earth and makes everything very nourished, hydrated, and happy. And it sounds just beautiful. I know I said that. I just love the sound of rain. I enjoy the rain. Beautiful sky. Raindrops keep falling on my head. I like that song. I like any song that has to do with the rain because I like the rain. So I just thought I'd show you the view out of the window. Have a lovely day. And that is from me to you.